Hello all my little pandas. Oh my god, it's been a very long time. Where have I been? I don't know. I disappeared. I'm flustering now because it's just so odd to be back in front of the camera. Today is my 27th birthday. Oh my god. I just decided to throw the camera on today only because I'm looking amazing. I look great and I feel very confident. But also only yesterday and the day before maybe is the first time that I noticed that maybe my scars from my breast augmentation that I got done 4 months ago now, that they're actually fading. This is the first time they've been very red, and I was a bit concerned about them for a while, but they are starting to fade, and I've been using bio oil on them every night. I'm so friggin' happy with the result. They are absolutely perfect. They're the perfect size and they're high profile, so they sit where they should. You know, they're not sagging. They're not too pointy. They're not sitting on my neck. Yeah, so it's been a very long time on estrogen now, to the point I don't even remember how long it's been. Time it's every day is the same, to be honest. Work, sleep, work, sleep, work, sleep, work, sleep. Saving up money. Basically, it's not cheap to be trans. Basically, I have been saving every penny for the last 4 months to start like going ahead with the next steps of my transition. It sounds so silly, and the older trans community watching this are going to be like, girl, calm the fuck down. But no, I'm 27. I want to start my life. Basically, I need to begin my life, and I need to get surgery, and I need to feel complete. And people are going to say, once you get one thing done, you want to get the next thing done. It's never ending. But basically, bitch, I want my surgeries. So I'm just determined, and I'm spending all my time working and saving and sleeping because there's nothing better to do than sleep. Sleep is absolutely brilliant. It's the best invention ever. But yeah, I'm very warm. I've been running around like a headless chicken all day trying to get ready, and I think I'm ready now, and I'm going to be going to Ireland's capital, going out to dinner with a few of my friends now in about 20 minutes. So I said I'd give a quick hello, and I'm sorry I disappeared, but oh my god, seriously, this channel is still going and I can't believe it. I got like 200, 300 extra subscribers while I disappeared, which just baffles me. It tells you a lot about my content probably. But yeah, to all the new people, welcome. Thank you so much, and sorry that I disappeared. To all the oldies, all the people that have been here since the start, they're little panda cubs, and they've all grown up with this journey. Thank you so much for sticking with it. And yeah, oh my god, I just feel so good. But thank you so much for joining and still being here, because I'm only Delira that you're here. So pandas, I can't promise you anything. I will try to be better. I will try to grace your screens with my face once more, but I can't promise you nothing. Bit of Irish accent to come out there. But yeah, I'm feeling me oats. Bit of side boob. Okay, all my little pandas, thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye.